What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it, baby, with another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, we're gonna be installing our WICKER bill, all right? We got a WICKER bill in from King Wraps or KNG Wraps, bro. Look, I'm gonna put a link in the description to where y'all can go get y'all that if y'all choose to get one, all right, y'all? I ended up getting a sharp, tall one. There's square, sharp, tall, and then NASCAR, all right, y'all? So like I said, link will be in the description below, baby. Y'all new to the channel, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate all the love, y'all. We did hit 6K, all right? We hit 6K. So kudos to y'all, man, the CEEFAM, all that, baby. Look, let's get to the video, man. All right, CEEFAM. So as y'all see right now, man, this is the car. This is how it looked, man. You know, we got the car in the garage for once, bro. It's raining outside. As y'all can see, it's always raining in Hawaii, man. All right, CEEFAM. So as far as the hardware, man, it comes with 8 screws and also 8 washers. All right, y'all. This one right here was a little weird to me because I'm used to the ZL1 add-ons WICKER build, but I just wanted to try something new, right? Theirs actually came with the little rivets or riv nuts. All right, y'all know what I'm talking about, the little silver gray little things, and you got to compress them with the riv nut gun and everything first. Then you screw your screws in and blah blah blah. So that right there just eliminated one step, which I think this one is a little bit easier. All right, so as far as your pilot hole or your drill bit, all right, I was gonna use the 1/8 bit, y'all, but I feel like the 1/8 was kind of the same size as this, so I went one step lower. I'm using the 7/64 bit. All right, y'all, 7/64 bit. You obviously want this bit to be smaller than the size of these. All right, y'all. I feel like this right here is definitely gonna be thicker. So whenever you have like your hole, the hole is just gonna be small as hell, right? Then you're gonna use these screws right here to make it tighter and XYZ, right? So yeah, I think it'll be a good fit, man. Good snug fit. Just wanted to let y'all know. So 7/64 bit, you might be able to get away with a 1/8, but 1/8 is not gonna give it that snug fit because the hole is gonna be almost the same size as this. All right, you always want a hole that's gonna be smaller than this right here. All right, so once you drill into it, it'll create a larger hole, which will be like a more snug fit, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense, y'all. So small bit, bigger screw. All right, smaller bit, bigger screw. Too easy, man. So I'm gonna just end up taping this right here, y'all. Taping this. I'm gonna find my center, which is obviously gonna be right here along this camera. Whenever you put your WICKER bill on, y'all, you definitely want to place it so that it sits like kind of higher up, right? Because if y'all put your WICKER bill like right here, it's obviously gonna like end up rubbing this bottom lip right here over time, right? It's gonna end up scratching it, scraping and all that, right? But if we sit it like a little bit up, right, it's gonna give it that clearance over time. Because as you're driving, right, the WICKER bill is just gonna slide down. Some of y'all got big 12s in y'all trunk. Some of y'all got music, and you know, you're gonna open the trunk, close the trunk, right? And all that's gonna do is just slide down over time, right? But if we give it that clearance and we put the WICKER bill kind of high up, we don't have to worry about it scratching our vinyl, scratching your paint, right? So that's just a good little rule of thumb, right? That's just a good little rule of thumb for y'all. Always put your WICKER bill high up. You never want it to be flush right here or nothing like that, because that's just gonna set y'all car up for failure over time. All right, so that's a little gem from me to y'all, man, because I rock with y'all. Hope y'all rock with me. So yeah, let's put this tape on there, man. Let's start to like line everything up. Get a pen or a pencil or something. Mark our holes. Then we're gonna get to it, man. So let's go. All right, CEEFAM. As y'all can see, baby, we have our tape. Like I said, it don't matter if it look good, if it don't look good. Like I said, I put my tape pretty high up because I know my WICKER bill is gonna be somewhere along these lines, right? So yeah, I'm not really tripping. The tape is really just to mark it. All right, y'all. So once I put my WICKER bill up here, man, I'm gonna mark the center hole first, right? And then from that center hole, I can basically gauge, or I can tell like which holes I need to mark, the length, the distance, or whatever, right? So yeah, let's do it, man. All right, CEEFAM. So this right here is the part, man, people usually don't like to do. I don't mind it. Like I said, y'all, we're gonna take our 7/64 bit. All right, and then we just gonna drill. All right, like I said, y'all, I'm gonna end up just drilling this one middle hole, right, that's centered along the rear camera, and then yeah, I'm gonna use that as like a guide, and then so we'll be able to do the rest. All right, so let's get to it, man. So like I said, that was easy, y'all. That was painless, or wasn't painful, right? You don't want to go all the way in there, y'all, with this full thing, because you don't want to put a hole through your actual spoiler. All right, that's gonna show through the front. That's gonna be ugly, right? So yeah, you just want to go nice and slow, baby, and then yeah, that should be cool. So to be honest, y'all, we can really take this tape off. All right, I ended up drilling holes on accident before I figured out what the middle was. All right, so like I said, we can gotta count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, put this one in right here. Boom, line it up. All right, you don't want to over tighten, y'all. Rule of thumb for anybody out there that's doing this, don't over tighten. So boom, we got that right there. Like I said, this right here, y'all, just a baseline. So what you gonna call it? All right, so boom. But yeah, y'all, so I just want to give y'all an update, man. So I ended up getting these screws right here in. All right, I didn't really put this one in yet, or this one right here, just because of the simple fact, y'all, like we have to account for like these holes right here. All right, so this has to obviously go like right here, right? So I can drill in these two, but these right here have to obviously wait. All right, so I'm not gonna mess with these middle ones. I'm gonna just end up doing these two side ones right here, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna do these. All right, so stay tuned, man. Just wanted to give y'all a look at the fitment, bro. Everything pretty much, you know, is lined up perfectly where I need it or want it, right? You know, this one or whatever is fine. The middle one, all right, like I said, y'all, go from the middle, all right, just so you can get this wicker bill piece to hold, and then you can do, I don't know, middle to right or middle to left, like you, whatever y'all want to do, or y'all can just do the whole thing at one time. But I'm just going from basically right to left. All right, so once I get this side done, I'm gonna go to the other side. So stay tuned, man. It's not hard to do by yourself. Yes, like I said, 2-man install would be ideal, would be better. But you know, for I guess video purposes, just want to show y'all it's possible to do it on your own. You just got to be creative. You got to think outside the box, man. So let's get to it. So like I said, y'all, this right here is currently in place. This is the middle one, hole number 5. You got 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. All right, like I said, this is in place, y'all. We still have ample amount of room right here, so it's not touching the bottom of this or anything like that. All right, which is exactly what we want. So now we can go through, mark our holes. It's okay if you mark the holes on the paint, y'all. You're gonna end up drilling it anyway, so it is what it is, you know. But yeah, so let's get to that, baby. We already took off our 5 screws right here. All right, the wicker bill is not gonna go behind this, okay? It's gonna go in the front. All right, y'all, so with that being said, man, we already started taking off both our pieces. Well, we started taking off the front one. All right, so this one right here is already taken off. Y'all know if y'all can tell the difference between not taking off and taking off. All right, so we already started taking off this one. Let's peel this one right here back off. So, but yeah, y'all, this thing right here is hard to come off, man. Oh, they did a really good job packaging this thing and all that. So kudos to them, 100%, man. So y'all, honestly, y'all, look, I'm not sure if it's supposed to go this way or if it's supposed to go this way. I really don't think there's like a set way it's supposed to go, right? But with that being said, man, let's just start installing this thing, man. So. see, man, we have the finished product, kinda. I'm not really done, you know, putting it as tight as I want to yet. Just wanted to give y'all a little overview, man, of how it looked. It's nighttime right now, so I'm gonna pull it out tomorrow morning, you know, just to show y'all the finished product, man. I still have to tighten everything down. Just wanted y'all to see that thing, man. I think it looked good though, y'all, low key. Like I said, we don't really know. Well, disregard that mess back there, bro. I gotta make a trash run. Whole bunch of car parts and stuff, you know. But yeah. All right, CEEFAM. So we managed, bro, to get the car out in the daylight, man. This thing look good. Ooh wee, thing look good, man. Hey, as y'all see, bro, the wicker bill is on the car, baby. I'm hoping y'all can see this, bro. This thing look good, man. Like I said, shout out King Wraps or KNG Wraps, man, for the wicker bill, y'all. I ended up getting this wicker bill for $196 shipped. All right, compared to ZL1 add-ons and all that, I think this right here is cheaper, probably by like $20+. All right, y'all, custom made to order. They don't just have these sitting up in a warehouse and nothing crazy like that. Install wise, from 1 to 10, I'd probably give it like a 5 or a 6, if that, to be honest. I feel like this one right here is much easier though, y'all, because it's really just screws. All right, as y'all can see, all right, literally just screws, man. Look like the Phillips head screws or something, right? Well, the Phillips head screwdrivers type screws. But yeah, like, you don't need no riv nuts, you don't need the rivet gun or whatever like that. All you just need is a 7/64 drill bit, and then you just need a drill, and that's it, man. I think it looked good though, y'all. 100%. I think it really sets the rear of the car off. Like I said, y'all, I did get the sharp tall one from King Wraps, man. They're sharp tall, sharp NASCAR, and then square. So yeah, man, I think it looked good, y'all. The rear of the car is definitely getting more and more complete. Everything is flush. You know, I don't really see any imperfections. I guess like I only had a hard time putting this right here, putting like the two sides on these two. I don't know if I had the wrong spoiler or what, y'all, but initially I wanted to put it a little bit higher so that it don't hit this bottom piece right here over time. Like, you know, the wicker bill obviously is gonna slide up and down over time, right? So I wanted to put it much higher so I can make sure it clears it, because, you know, once you have loud music, or once you have, you know what I'm saying, something that's gonna bother the wicker bill, right, you're gonna open the trunk, close it. If you have loud music, it's gonna constantly be rattling and shaking, right? So I'm gonna let y'all know how it holds up over time, because I'm used to the little rivets, right, the riv nut gun or whatever, rivet gun. Then you gotta drill, I don't know, that's the kind of wicker bills I'm used to, the ZL1 add-ons one. So it's always good, y'all, to try another product, man. That's it, try another product. I really wish this right here was tinted. All right, maybe I can, I don't know, get this painted or tint this black or something like that, just so it can be one black piece. I really wish they offered that option on King Wraps, but that's all good though, man. I'm not one of them complaining people, man. I'm just blessed, you know. So yeah, that's how it look, y'all. Like I said, I think it definitely contrasts good, you know, the whole black and white thing, you know. So I think it look good though, y'all. Comment down below what y'all think. If anybody know somewhere where I can get some exhaust tips from, man, they don't have to be carbon, all right, y'all, but there's Amazon, eBay, and it'll actually fit 2015 through 2021 Chargers, right? We all have the same exhaust tips and stuff. If y'all know any place I can get that, bro, like I said, it don't have to be carbon, as long as I can get some. Comment down below and I will shout y'all out whenever I install them. That's too easy, man. I always give my people the credit whenever it's earned, whenever it's deserved, right? So yeah, I appreciate y'all for stopping in, y'all. 100%, y'all. We did reach 6,000 subs. All right, so kudos to y'all, man. Appreciate the love. I appreciate everything, man. 100%. You know, we staying humble, but we also growing on this channel, man. So bam, I just want to give y'all a final look at this thing, man. Big difference, bro. Big difference in the rear of the car. 100%. One last look right quick. Yeah, this thing is beautiful, man. Beautiful. Jeez.
But yeah, comment down below, man. Do y'all have a wicker bill? Shit, if y'all do, what kind y'all have? Y'all have Z01 add-ons? Y'all have the downforce solutions? Y'all have King Wraps? Like, let me know which one y'all have, man. Y'all new to the channel, baby. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm gonna leave y'all with a good little cold start. You know, red key or no key, baby. Red key or no key. Let's get to it. So that wasn't really like a cold start. It's kind of like a warm start, y'all. But it is what it is, man. Y'all get it. Y'all know the vibes, man. You know, nice little day in Hawaii, bro. It ain't really raining right now. So, got the community and stuff. But, yeah, look, man. Follow you on Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube, baby. I'll holler at you on the next one.